So since I got this fridge in February.
You really come back with CD Diamond again?
One thing I want to ask them pick near that one.
No God, he's still a God in whatever way.
Box cover, this is Dirty Bear and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Poppy and the Popo. Oh my gosh. People, I do not know what has been happening from the other day because it looked like so the artists them just can't take them name out of the police force both. And so the recent artists end up in some sort of situation with the authority. What no? Is it authorities? Authority, you know what I'm understanding? So the gap here. It just give me a problem. But the latest person getting problems with the police force is Popcaan. No, let me just read you what the Gleaner say. So the Gleaner says, dancehall superstar Popcaan is to answer to multiple breaches of the Road Traffic Act following an encounter with the St. Thomas police on Sunday. The entertainer was found to be in violation of several aspects of the Road Traffic Act, including driving an unlicensed motorcycle, driving without insurance coverage, having no valid certificate of fitness, having no registration plate affixed, driving without a helmet, and driving with no side view mirror. Oh wow, no man, I will leave some of them that I think I would one issue, but as several. No, we know Popcaan, you know, him have a bike and all kind of things, but me don't know more for say about this. Apart from more for feel like say one of them things there like when you're a celebrity, you kind of bypass the law because the people them would have rate you know, like the St. Thomas police them would have rate Popcaan, so they would have just go on like them say and not see, you know, one of them type of little things there where it's not right, you know. But you just kind of think, say, I saw the Shreps go. But it look like, I know, and Popcaan fall out and the people then decide so they're going to jump to him with the full force. And so this is a predicament that he is now in. So Popcaan never did old female. No, he took to social media to, you know, get some things off his chest. Yow! Not even feel like me I go keep unruly face at St. Thomas again, you know. Exclamation sign, exclamation sign. Yo, why am I being targeted by St. Thomas police in every move I make? Me really tired of Uno. And me I go just breathe St. Thomas for now for my own good. Hope my people will see things from side. Peace and love. Yow! No man, the impression that it really rusty. It rusty bad. Jesus Christ. Corrosion. So Berritos, what do you have to say about this? Do you think the police just need for us low Popcaan alone and just like make him just do him thing? Or do you think that him need for just, you know, fess up for all of this? Or do you think same have to just deal with all of them little liar when him did a break? Sound off below. Number 9, R.I.P. Michael Sharp. Oh no, Jesus, Pim. So veteran broadcaster, journalist Michael Sharp passed away recently at the age of 65 years old. Now the journalist, he had he actually had COVID, and so he was in and out of the hospital for some weeks, and eventually he, you know, passed off. And so may I tell you, like, I felt it. The whole entire nation felt this loss because we grew up watching this man as a prime staple in a just like journalism. You know, him and Doreen anchoring the primetime segment for years. Some people might know him from Your Issues Live. That program, and then he eventually moved on to Jamaica News Network. And so many people in media, you know, really felt and were impacted by this man. And I'd love to hear from you, Berritos, like, where were you when you heard of his passing away, and how do you feel about it? And also, I forgot to tell you, he did not pass away because of the vaccine. When take know, so that was a rumor that circulated about the place that is untrue according to the news info that I saw in the Observer as well as the Gleaner. But yeah, I want to hear from you, Berritos. How did you feel when you found out the news about Michael Sharp's death? Sound off below.
Look guys, the commissioner of police himself in a rain. I help a band with the taxi man lick off. See it there? That's very good.
Number 8, Jerk Macaroni. What is not this? Berritos, I saw this video on Twitter recently, and it had this user doing this sort of combination using that Jamaican jerk flavor to make macaroni, like jerk chicken and macaroni. It was, take a look.
You need to try this jerk chicken mac and cheese. It's just truly to die for. These chicken thighs are marinating in some jerk seasoning. Make sure you don't burn the seasoning. They're cooked 75% of the way. Drop the heat and add a little butter. Revive those brown bits. Pasta water to deglaze. Flour and toast for a couple minutes. Cold milk. I like doing some jerk seasoning. Nice pinch of salt. Now, if you're Jamaican, this is definitely not authentic. I'm just using your beautiful flavors, but you should try this. When it's silky smooth and warm, add some cream cheese, bunch of mozzarella, and a whole lot of sharpened cheddar. If it's too thick, you could always add pasta water or milk. Cheese goes in with the macaroni. Chicken on top, more cheese. Now, if you are lactose intolerant, so am I, but it's worth it. We bake this at 400 until it's golden brown. Okay, this is indeed gorgeous. And now we have final product. Just don't forget to say Bismillah. And if you're trying to spice it up.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looked nasty at one point in time, like it just, like the way the sauce, the season, it just look like some dirty mud. But like, do you have clean mud? Anyway, so it just looked like some dirty mud initially, and then at some point in time, I said, oh, this not look bad. This look like it could have, you know, take 1 and 2 months. Burritos, would you try this? Sound off below. Number 7, Marshall versus Mark. Me expletive. Alright, so if you don't know, Gallus in Paris has a character, and he's called Mark. Now, Mark is the most what do I call it? He is just dark. He ignorant, especially when it comes to anything where even have a little homophobia, homosexual, any little thing you touch can get why right off the bat.
Father would change the whole heap, you know?
Mark! Yo! Hey, the man just say. What one? Man say father would change him. Him father what? Would. Dirty boy that man. Dirty boy for sure, man. They on TV and talk about penis. That me I said to hear me I said.
And some time ago, Wayne Marshall did a video and he said this.
When me eat the Chinese sweet, you know, all the whole day me have the seed and juggle them.
So you know, if not forgot ask Christ that Mark was going to intervene and to, you know, kind of reprimand the Marshal. And he did. Take a look.
Mark! Yo! Man same day in the front seat a juggle bars to dirty boy for true, man. Hear me I say no juggles the clownfish? Prostitute. But you're there in the front seat a juggle bars with your good up wife over there. So
when me go see that now, I say Jesus people, Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin, them don't really take this too serious. Them just kind of understanding for the little humor, the little joke, as ignorant as it might be. We hope them just take it for the laughs of it all. And it looks as if they took it, you know, in good jest. And why, why for that? Yeah, but anyway, so I think it looked like they're okay with it, because in one of their recent videos on YouTube, the couple had this moment.
You really come back with seed in your mouth again? Ooh. Mark!
Wow. That never called.
But why we never talk about Mark on the hood of the car?
Mark up on the hood of the car. I will not talk about that.
Mark?
But yeah, man, it's nice to know that them can laugh at it and just understand that it's all in just good fun. Let me know, burritos, are you familiar with Gallus in Paris' Mark character? Sound off below. Number 6, Spice and Kids. Burritos, me want to show you this video with dancehall queen Spice Official and her kids interacting. You know Spice, something they said differently. Spice really and truly, you need a reality show right now, you know, because you give a little glimpse in your life and your life look like it able for a reality show. Just go down soon, because I don't know what to go work with. The 3 ex-dancer them and you down there, but maybe you can, yeah man, maybe you can go Ramesh, maybe I so you can go and you can get the reality show.
One thing I want to ask them pick near, that one here and the one here over there so. Look for the time of day you have your night, you still have on pyjama. What make you like beard? What make you like use the bathroom? I never take off my wig, my beats on it. If you ever take off my wig, my beats on it. What make you like beard? You take off my wig? Hey, look at you.
Burritos? You think you can run them joke with your mother? Would you be able to just pop off your mother wig and still be able to live to tell the tale? Sound off below. Number 5, Tanania Fridge Vid. My word, my sentence. So Tanania is one of the latest, you know, artist trending social media personalities, and she have her channel where it's basically like a walking reality show. She allows people into her life and she just shows off various aspects to who she is as a woman. And so that is fine and thing, right? And recently, she uploaded a video. It was a refrigerator tour, a fridge tour.
So my fridge is not a plastic. I'm telling you first and after chat me. So this is a 2-door LG door-in-door knock to thing turn on, and it have ice maker, so you know the girl can come out with a little cup here, so with a little cube ice, crushed ice, so you can get a little water. And what I love about this fridge is because it does the see, so it's called an InstaView. You can actually see what's in.
And you know what, I never get to look on the video, but I see it and I say, oh, this look, you know, this look interesting. And when I went over to Twitter, I realized there was some sort of debate happening. I saw this tweet and it got quite a people in a discussion. Take a look. So the tweet by Sue Bella C says, 37k people sat and watched a fridge tour on YouTube, ellipsis. I'm about to start my YouTube channel, ellipsis. Let me go practice my, hey guys.
Hi guys.
Oh wow. Okay, so yeah, look like the girl here said, no man, YouTube clearly is easy and cheesy. If Tanana can get up and just show people inside our fridge and just get views just like that. Somebody else jumped on by the name of Christopher J. Nurse, and he jumped in and said, I still cannot grasp the randomness of some YouTube videos. I understand the need for supporting Jamaican content creators, but why would people need to see inside your fridge?
Oh, that? Yes, people are thinking,
really,
oh,
that?
Oh, you
are you serious?
No, and then there was a back and forth, and some people is for and some people is against, and things that is lazy content and ask that and call fat. But I am here to say that, yo, I don't think there is anything wrong with she doing content like that. I believe that when you have a brand that is based around your personality, you can do all kind of content. She can get up tomorrow morning and do nail polish tour and show people all of the different nail polish them we should wear throughout the month, them into the year. She can literally go and do an underwear tour in her drawer and show the versatility between her G-string and her panty wrap on the bank, because that is the sort of brand which you have. And separate and apart from that, fridge tour is actually a thing. And I keep on saying, many Jamaican content creators, they're so boxed into what is works in Jamaica that they don't realize that there's also a lot of things that are good globally. And fridge tours is actually a thing that people do. They look on a couple channel them when they do all of them, lie detector tests and all of these things. The things that them just sit down and make it up, these are things that actually trend globally. And so Tanania is just tapping into that. I'm going to show you a little screenshot now. Many of these videos have received like thousands, millions of views. You have Adrian from Cheetah Girls, I know she's on the reel. She also has a fridge tour video, and a couple other people, you see another video with 1.9 million views. So it is actually something that YouTubers do. Maybe they don't see it very common in Jamaica, but just watch and see how many people are going to start it now, because them sister Nania do it and realize that she gets some amount of views. So that's what I have to say, Burritos, but I want to hear from you. Do you think it is doable content, or do you think it's that content you should have skipped? Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and run come. Sing along. Well then, big up your friend.
And first upon the big up segment, I have to go and big up Randy Brown, Jamaican UFC fighter, on his recent win. And first up, I have to go and big up Rihanna's, or is it Rena's? Rena's Academy. They are Jamaica's first and only female football academy. That is a big deal. Yeah man, and the person behind me, I have to go and big up near Oxford. And one thing about the brother here, you know, him I go try to do something with Fame Life. Him, not go work place, no time. Number 4, picks of the week, Milava. Wow, so Burritos, I'm going to show you some of the artist pictures them that I saw. And they all came from the recent Sagicor event. And so first up, I'm going to show off my little friend named Debbie Bissoon. Now, Debbie Bissoon, she journalist, entertainment journalist, all of them, some of the hosts and all kind of things. Like, I can't remember if Debbie Bissoon job them. Would you be surprised if tomorrow morning, like, she ended up saying she got done reggae artist. But Debbie Bissoon stepped out. I'm telling you, my girl step off like such a Christina after Jesus. Tears. This girl did look so good, like she's supposed to be on the top of one podium at the next Olympic Games. She was dripping in gold. Take a look. Yeah man, so girl must look when them bathe. So girl must look when them step out and go host event like that, especially in a one pandemic where you don't really get for gonna wear. When you do step out, so you must look. When you look on Debbie right this up, you know say all our heel-back scoops. The girl like take everything and file off every little cowboy and every little thing. Nice. Pick up yourself, Debbie. Yes. And next now, I forgot to talk about the boss now, and his wife, lovely wife, Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin. No, Jesus Christ, look on Jamaican Jay-Z and Beyonce. No, look all the people that put themselves together like a Jesus P, you see? You see how they look at something I stay, I'm tell you, we need more award and them look at something in Jamaica, because sometimes we take a little celebrity them, like them as some little regular, because we now remember how them can set when them ready to step out and just do the things them, you know man. Look on Tommy Chin, look out now, Jesus Christ, Tommy Chin is a sweet piece of woman, you know man, like bad to bad. Bad to bad, Tommy Chin, look good. Like there's a picture where Wayne Marshall look right in her yard, man, you can tell. So the way I look on her is like the first time I see her for RETV school tour. Like honestly, this is what you call like love at anniversary site. Man, so that was it for Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin. Wayne Marshall, they look fresh. Tommy look, and Tommy have one of them look good there. You know, like she knows she look good, but she don't really want to overdo it. Like really, I just threw this on. I didn't really do anything. Really, you think I'm pretty? Oh, stop it. I really want to focus on my personality. But you can keep the compliments coming. Yeah, man, at the type of outfit that we have. Burritos, what do you think of these outfits? Did you love them? Sound off below. Number 3, mango announcement. Me-ripe season. Oh God, Burritos, this is something like, this is actually breaking news for some people. This is breaking news. It was for me. So, did you know that what we refer to and call as a female mango as Julie, correct name is actually Saint Julian mango?
Mind-blowing. Like, I don't even think, I think that it will hit me like in 5 years.
It's the box foot, yes, yes. So the breaking news emerged on Twitter, and I think it all started after Jesus Christ, the Minister of Agriculture, the state. No, honestly, I say why am I not supposed to stop watch JIS? Look how I can remember the things them now. So Fabian, oh God no, hold on, Bear, hold on, give me a moment.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
Alright, I got it back. So, the Minister of Agriculture, Floyd Green, posted this to his Twitter. So he said, I am pleased to announce that after a 7-year hiatus, we are exporting mangoes to the kingdom again. Today we exported over 4,000 kilograms containing both East Indian and St. Julian. Hashtag big back stronger, hashtag stronger agriculture. No man, this is a lie, point of information. A Julie mango, yeah, attack. So right there and then it's like the whole of Jamaica was just like, oh wow. So this is how Twitter reacted. Mango visa them reach and Julie government name start use. Me like it. So another person says, this reminds me of when we found out Jamaican mongrel's dog's official name is Caribbean Terrier. Julie Mango get visa and come back as St. Julian. But what this? So a Julie named St. Julian, this come like that family member whose real name you find out only when you reach their funeral and see the program. But Burritos, I want to hear from you. Were you today's years old when you found out that Julie actually named St. Julian? Sound off below. Number 2, Popcorn and Granny. My word. So Burritos, everyone always says that they love see Popcorn outside of just him dancehall persona, and him like to see Popcorn as just the son, as the grandson, and interacting with him family members. So we see him with him at a couple of occasions now, Miss Rona, and to see how him always just a fatigue her, but it is done in just love.
The killer shots them the pastor.
The pastor don't drink tequila.
We are did so what's up. I mean him so what's up in a lady. Don't drink that, you know.
And so now, many of us are being introduced to the grandma, and the grandma, yeah man, she definitely gives the whole of them the personality.
Grandma looking super young. Nadine, stop following me, Nadine, man. We don't want no barrel from you. Grandma, say hello. Grandma, say I know.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Grandma, young already. You're easy. Grandma, watch that, watch that. Cat? No. Shut your eye. It's short, Grandma. Jesus. That mosquito will me and attack it in my sleep or something, I don't know. Food to eat.
Oh gosh. So Burritos, like, do you want to see more of Popcorn and his grandma interacting? I actually love this. Like, honestly, like, people always just telling me the reality show too, because it's okay, the whole family just have personality and vibe. I'm here for it. What do you say, Burritos? Sound up below.
Yeah man, if you want to know about mix up, picks up, picks up, freaks up, all freaks up, right that's like there. Mix up media. It's all about the dirty media, social media countdown.
And number 1 goes to Queenie and LA Lewis meetup. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Queenie and LA Lewis. Now, honestly, I was looking for a meetup, some sort of collaboration between Queenie and Seloni, but we don't get that yet. So I guess in a very random, interesting turn of events, we'll get Queenie and LA Lewis. Queenie was on the road apparently, and Queenie on her way, and she passed King's house. And when she look over King's house, she say LA Lewis out there look like him and try for ball down Angie Holness. So she step out now because she too actually wants to meet the Prime Minister. So take a look at how that entire interaction went.
But LA Lewis, permits are not right there just like that. So, you know, when the send message to him and he's not going to see you. Alright, why you always a write from a page actually?
No, that has to be somebody else. I don't write a page actually. I do video.
LA Lewis, every time you put a post, LA Lewis right.
Oh, no, man.
And our son.
No.
And the whole of England, the whole of the people.
No. If somebody writes something, you have a lot of fake LA Lewis page. That's why if you see the one mark, LA Lewis 7, I even up right now. So LA Lewis 7. See, like on the Twitter, you have about 15 Twitter out there the legal Twitter. So the Twitter. No, what I'm friend, I can mean like the internet is something that's the time out to make that.
Let them tell you, LA Lewis.
No one out of here about how to do this.
Alright, I didn't know about that. The Prime Minister, God. He's still a God in whatever way. We want to meet him and make you people that I see him the Prime Minister.
Yeah, so we're going to see him now because Mayor said they put out a hit from it, near time too much on the road, so we come to the Prime Minister office for fire.
I am Queen, since I'm a doctor.
I'm the Queen, I'm here, boy, I'm a big superstar, man. I'm the Queen, I'm a big one, I'm a young girl, man. No, you're a young person. I'm big up Queen, so she's a Prime Minister. So it's a historical moment, this year, because I'm a doctor of the man, Mario, we started to get the year boy, and I think that's so big up yourself. You can just come and do a foreign league.
Hello! Sorry, sir, that you actually know family. I know I'm not black yet.
No, man.
November. No,
man. See, you can't tell you now. LA was 7. Alright, there's a lot of military here for you.
Alright, officer, me no want to get like a couple of the day. 3 days. 1 minute to go.
No, at this point, at this rate, I honestly do feel that the message probably reached Prime Minister Andrew Holness. He definitely is aware that Queen Lady Gangster wants to meet him. I don't know if him know, but I'm sure somebody sent in the video. Andrew, they're on WhatsApp. The Prime Minister has to be on WhatsApp. Like, somebody must WhatsApp him and say, do you ever plan to meet them? And I think Andrew just have no interest. But who knows what compelling story might arise that would make him want to, you know, double tap. Oh, no, Jesus Christ. Have a double take at that request. So Burritos, are you here for this link up? Do you, like me, actually want to see Queenie someday link up with Saloni? Sound off below. Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on your post notifications. Do not forget to leave a comment down below. Yes, leave your comment as well as to subscribe if you're new to the channel because we're trying to get to 300,000 subscribers. Okay, and if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please to make use of it because I'm actually going to be doing a 15K promo, so you can advertise your business, your song, your product, whatever you have going on, and you get a nice 45-second promo within the social media countdown, but it will only be for the month of May. So please to jump in right now. I'm only going to be doing a couple of these promos, so jump in the sooner. I'll be able to just like confirm your request. Alright, so that is it. Anything else? Yeah, man, that's it. So email me at bookings.dirtyberryshow@gmail.com so you can be a part of these promo. So it is bookings.dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.